Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy that you are here today.
And I'm Umar. If this is your first time on this channel, then welcome. This channel is a special place for people who want to learn English in a simple, clear, and friendly way.
Many people around the world want to learn English. Some people want to speak English for work. Some want to travel.
Some want to study in another country, and many people want to feel confident when they speak English.
But sometimes learning English can feel difficult. You may know some English words, you may understand English when you listen, but when you want to speak, the words do not come easily.
Do not worry. That is why Dr. Manha English Channel exists. Here, we practice English together using slow conversations, simple sentences, and real-life topics.
Today, we have a very useful topic for beginners.
Today, we will talk about daily routine.
Exactly. Many English beginners want to learn how to talk about their day.
Yes, that is true. Many students ask me, how can I describe my daily routine in English?
That is a great question. Today, we will show everyone how to talk about daily routine using simple sentences.
Manha, can I ask you something?
Of course, Umar.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
Good question. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock? That is early.
Yes, I like waking up early.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I get out of bed, then I drink a glass of water.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it helps my body feel fresh. After that, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face too?
Yes, of course. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
What do you do next?
Next, I do a little exercise.
Exercise? What kind of exercise?
Sometimes I stretch my body, sometimes I go for a short walk.
That sounds nice.
Yes, morning exercise gives me energy for the day.
I think I should start exercising too.
Yes, it is very good for your health.
After exercise, what do you do?
After exercise, I take a shower.
Do you take a shower every morning?
Yes, I do.
And then?
Then I get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
Usually, I wear comfortable clothes. Sometimes I wear a dress, sometimes I wear a shirt and pants.
After getting dressed, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
That sounds delicious.
And I also drink tea or coffee.
I love coffee in the morning.
Many people do.
Manha, after breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I start my work.
Do you work from home?
Yes, sometimes I work from home, and sometimes I go outside for work.
What do you usually do in the morning at work?
In the morning, I usually answer emails and prepare lessons.
Lessons?
Yes, I prepare English lessons for students.
That is wonderful.
I really enjoy teaching English.
That is why students love Dr. English.
Thank you, Umar.
Now I want to tell you about my morning routine.
Yes, please tell us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock? That is not too early.
Yes, I like sleeping a little longer.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I check my phone.
Oh, no.
Why no?
Many people check their phone immediately after waking up.
Yes, it is a bad habit.
Maybe you should drink water first.
That is a good idea.
After checking your phone, what do you do?
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Maybe you should start exercising every morning.
Yes, you are right.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That is a good breakfast.
Sometimes I also eat fruit.
Fruit is very healthy.
After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
Sometimes I drive a car, sometimes I take a bus.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That is not too bad.
Yes, it's okay.
Umar, now we talked about our morning routine, but the day is long. what do you do during the day?
That is a good question. After I arrive at work, I start my job.
What is the first thing you do at work?
First, I sit at my desk. Then I open my computer.
Do you check emails?
Yes, I check my emails. I read messages from my coworkers.
That sounds like a busy morning.
Yes, sometimes it is very busy.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Many people love coffee.
Yes, coffee gives me energy.
What time do you start work?
I usually start work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
And what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock in the evening.
So you work for about 8 hours.
Yes, that is right.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, I take lunch at 1 o'clock.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes I eat rice and chicken. Sometimes I eat a sandwich.
That sounds tasty.
What about you, Manha? What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually work on my English lessons.
Do you record podcasts?
Yes, sometimes I record podcasts for Dr. Manha English Channel.
That is great. Many students learn English from these podcasts.
Yes, and that makes me very happy.
Do you also read books during the day?
Yes, I love reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I like reading English learning books and stories.
Stories are very interesting.
Yes, stories help us learn new words.
That is true.
Umer, what do you do after lunch?
After lunch, I continue my work.
Do you ever feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, sometimes I feel very sleepy.
Many people feel sleepy after lunch.
When I feel sleepy, I drink another cup of coffee.
That is one solution.
Or sometimes I take a short walk.
Walking is a good idea.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh again.
Now let's talk about the evening routine.
Yes, evening time is relaxing.
Umer, what time do you go home?
I usually go home at 5:30 in the evening.
What do you do when you arrive home?
First, I change my clothes.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, I like wearing comfortable clothes at home.
Do you relax after work?
Yes, I relax for a while.
What do you do to relax?
Sometimes I watch TV.
What do you like to watch?
I like watching movies and sports.
Sports are exciting.
Yes, especially football.
Do you also spend time with your family?
Yes, I talk with my family. Sometimes we drink tea together.
That sounds very nice.
What about you, Manha? What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually go for a walk.
Walking again?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the evening.
Why do you like walking so much?
Because it helps me relax.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
That is a great way to practice English.
Yes, listening is very helpful.
Manha, what time do you eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, I like simple food.
Do you cook your dinner?
Sometimes I cook, sometimes my family cooks.
Cooking can be fun.
Yes, cooking is a useful skill.
I also cook sometimes.
Really? What do you cook?
I cook simple things like eggs or noodles.
That is a good start.
Maybe one day I will become a great chef.
That would be amazing.
Now let's talk about the night routine.
Yes, nighttime is for relaxing and resting.
Umer, what time do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I sometimes watch YouTube.
What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch educational videos.
Do you watch English learning videos?
Yes, I watch videos from Dr. Manha English Channel.
That makes me very happy.
Students can learn a lot from this channel.
Thank you, Umer.
After watching videos, I sometimes read a book.
Reading before sleep is a great habit.
Yes, it helps me relax.
What time do you go to sleep?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 at night.
That is a good sleeping time. What about you?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep early every day?
Yes, I try to sleep early.
Why is sleep important?
Because sleep helps our body and brain rest.
That is true.
Good sleep also helps us learn better. Now let's help our listeners practice.
Yes,
Let's practice simple daily routine sentences.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I go to sleep.
Very good. These simple sentences help you talk about your day. Daily routines are the things we do every day. When you can talk about your day, you can have many conversations in English.
Yes, that is true. Talking about daily routines is very useful.
Umar, let's ask our listeners some questions.
That is a great idea.
Dear listeners, think about your morning. What time do you wake up?
Do you wake up early or late?
Do you drink water in the morning?
Do you brush your teeth right after waking up?
Do you eat breakfast every day?
These are simple questions, but they help you practice English.
Yes, you can answer these questions with simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 7.
Or you can say, I wake up at 6:30.
Exactly.
Manha, I have a question for you.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you like mornings or nights more?
I like mornings more.
Why do you like mornings?
Because mornings feel fresh and peaceful.
That is true. The morning air feels nice.
Yes, and I feel more energetic in the morning.
I understand. I feel more active at night.
Really?
Yes, at night I feel relaxed.
Everyone has a different routine.
Yes, and that is normal.
Let's talk more about morning activities.
Yes, mornings are important.
Umar, do you make your bed in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
Making your bed is a good habit.
Yes, it makes the room look clean.
Exactly.
Manha, do you drink tea in the morning?
Yes, I drink tea almost every day.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
I prefer coffee.
Many people love coffee.
Coffee helps people wake up.
Yes, but too much coffee is not good.
That is true.
After breakfast, many people start work or go to school.
Yes, mornings are busy for many people.
Let's talk about students.
Yes, students also have daily routines.
A student might say, I wake up at 6.
I get ready for school.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school at 8.
I study in class.
I talk with my friends.
These are simple sentences students can use.
Yes, very simple and easy.
English learners should practice these sentences.
Manha, can daily routines help people learn English?
Yes, daily routines are very helpful
How?
because daily routines use common words.
Words like wake up, eat, drink, go, sleep.
Exactly. These are words people use every day.
So beginners can learn English faster.
Yes, if you talk about your daily life, you will practice English naturally.
That is a great idea.
Another important part of daily routine is time.
Yes, we often say the time.
For example, I wake up at 6.
I eat lunch at 1.
I go home at 5.
I go to sleep at 10.
These sentences help you practice time in English.
Yes, time is important in daily conversations.
Umar, when do you study English?
I usually study English in the evening.
How do you study?
I watch English videos.
That is good.
I also listen to English podcasts.
Listening is a great way to learn.
Yes, listening improves understanding.
Do you practice speaking too?
Yes, I try to speak English every day.
That is very important.
Speaking helps build confidence.
Exactly.
Manha, daily routine is different on weekends.
Yes, weekends are special.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax more.
Do you wake up late?
Yes, sometimes I wake up late.
That sounds nice.
I also spend time with family.
Family time is important.
Yes, very important.
Do you watch movies on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I watch movies.
Movies are fun.
Yes, and they can help you learn English too.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today on Dr. Manha English Channel.
We hope this podcast helped you learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple English.
Remember, you do not need difficult words to speak English. Simple sentences are enough to start speaking.
Try to talk about your day every day in English. For example, I wake up at 7, I drink tea, I go to work, I watch TV, I go to sleep.
Practice these small sentences again and again.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please support Dr. Manha English Channel. Like the video, write a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English learning podcasts.
Your support helps us continue creating helpful English lessons for learners around the world.
We will see you again in the next episode with another interesting topic to help you improve your English step by step.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up on your English journey.
Goodbye and see you soon.